This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at Mountain Therapy. We get a quick video tutorial on the Wi-Fi default settings. So just up here, just to the right of the television, is the actual Wi-Fi unit. And so if you need to make certain, all the lights are actually active in green. So green, green, you get into the greenhouse, and the two blue homes, and then the green, you know that you've got signal. Now, if you need to actually reset and then go for the default settings, what you're going to be looking for is a network name called CGNM-C9F8, and then also the -5G. And the passphrase right there is the 2511 BOE0050. So that'll allow you to actually connect to the Wi-Fi if it has reset itself back to the default settings, which it might do. So if you've got any further questions and you need assistance, you can reach out to us in the office. The number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.